everyone, it's me, Victoria. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing some decluttering and cleaning, and I figured I might as well record it. Before I jump into this video, I just want to address my appearance. It's just quarantine vibes. I have like castor oil in my hair and I just look gross because I'm just at home cleaning. Don't mind that. Decluttering and cleaning can be a really stressful process. I already started organizing a lot of clothes because I have so many things I bought when I was 18, first started making a lot of money. I just went overboard with shopping. I didn't have any sort of concept of saving, and now I have all these clothes that I don't wear that I regret buying, but you live and you learn. So I'm just posting all of those online on things like Depop, Poshmark, etc., just to try and get rid of those and clean out my closet and start fresh. I think today I'm going to start with tackling some papers. I think I'm going to try taking a Marie Kondo approach to this. I guess I'll just sort of update you guys and film myself decluttering and tidying, and I'll just update my progress. Hopefully watching this will motivate you to clean your room as well. Let's just begin. Things are going really well. While I'm going through different pieces all over my room, I'm finding a lot of things that I can group together. I have all of these cards here from friends and family for my birthday, holidays, stuff like that are really special and that I like to keep, but I've never had a consistent spot for them. They were literally just all over my room. I think I'm going to try emptying out boxes and just leave those on the side. I think I'm already going to start separating things that I know need their own designated area. I also found a lot of music related paperwork that I don't want to get rid of. I found like chords that I wrote down to songs I really like. I have some songs that I've written. Something I've wanted to do for a long time that I've never done is a memory box. So for example, I have this concert ticket here from when my sister and I went to see the Lumineers. I have a London Knights ticket when my dad and I went to go see a hockey game. That's really special. I have a lot of random crap like that all over my room, just little things that I want to hang on to. So I think I'm gonna have a designated memory box. I think I'm going to go on Amazon and try finding a good label maker. I've heard those are really good for organization. I'm starting to feel pretty excited, so yeah. Okay, so I've been at it for a little bit and this is just a quick little update. I pretty much just have papers and documents I know I don't need here. This is basically just a little recycling pile, and then I'm kind of throwing things that I do want to keep on the one side. There's my dog's toy. So yeah, I'm just trying not to overwhelm myself. It's really easy to do that when you have so much stuff to go through, so I'm just trying to start off with a very simple process, just keeping things I want to get rid of on one side and then I need to recycle, and then things I want to keep on the other side. I'm just gonna go from there, and then hello. Yeah, so as I was saying, I just don't want to start overwhelming myself because that's when it's easy to just give up. I'm just going to start very basic and just figure out what I want to keep first. So I'm just going to build onto that pile that I'm keeping, get rid of this stuff as I go, and then yeah. All this organizing is making me super hungry. So I'm going to take a break and make a late lunch. I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. So I've been at this for probably about an hour or so, and I feel pretty good about the progress. It is a bit overwhelming, but it's better to just show you. So in this area of the room, I just have my clothes that I need to sort through. Like I said earlier, I'm just gonna leave that for another time. I really just want to tackle all the paperwork in my room. So I'm pretty much just going through all the boxes, setting aside any little things that I find that I know I need to organize. I have a ton of papers and cards and random things on my bed. I'm kind of collecting a ton of boxes on the side, emptying those out, and then I'm just gonna give each thing its own designated box and just sort of split things up as I go so it'll be easier throughout the whole process. And then I have miscellaneous types of items I'm finding I'm just leaving out to the side, and I'll have to give them their own space. Kind of just trying to sort through all this paperwork. So, well, geez. I think when I eat, I'm going to be browsing through Amazon, and like I said, I want to look for a label maker, and I also want to look for oh god, I'm getting stressed out. I've seen a lot of cool things. I'll probably have to insert a clip of it on the Amazon page or when I get it. There are these file organizers that you keep up on a desk in an office, and you just flip through these different sections and you can label what they are. I'm finding a lot of important paperwork that I don't want to just throw in a box. So for example, tax information for yearly taxes, and then I have maybe like receipts of big investments I've made that I want to keep over time for like warranty purposes, or just so you can keep track of big things you've purchased. I have gotten rid of a lot of school documents and study notes and stuff like that I don't need, but there are still a lot of school related documents that I need to hang on to. So for example, like paying off my student loans, my school transcripts, things about my grades, information about looking for careers afterwards, just things school related that are kind of important. I think I might just watch some YouTube videos about good organization items to order on Amazon. I think I'm gonna browse through Amazon's bestsellers. I'm kind of stressed, but I feel good at the same time. Like, I really need to do a deep clean, and I feel good that things are kind of getting organized as I go. I think I'm just getting stressed and grumpy because I'm hungry, so I can't really focus anymore, so I'm just gonna go eat. But yeah, again, I'll keep you guys updated if anything exciting happens. Hello, so it is past midnight now. I've been working on this for hours, like literally all day. So I kind of have some organized chaos here. First of all, I got all the papers that are important, and then I've just sorted them all out. Work info, dental, eye doctor stuff, school related stuff, important receipts, like literally everything's all sorted out. I've been looking at some organizers on Amazon, so I'm just gonna read over some reviews and try to find a good one. And yeah, kind of just trying to sort through some things. Highlighters and pens and pencils, I have cards, notebooks. Yeah, it's kind of chaotic right now, but yeah, I'm making progress. Also, I kind of ended up cleaning some other things as well. So I cleaned my makeup brushes. Right now, just letting my beauty blender and brush cleaner and things like that soak. So I kind of ended up cleaning some more things on the way. I'm absolutely exhausted though. I've literally been at this all day, but I feel good. It feels refreshing. I haven't felt the need to look at my phone all day, which is something that I'm normally really bad at. I'm just really in the zone with organizing. I'm excited. Wow, I look like a mess. I think I'm gonna go read a bit and then head to bed. Start back up tomorrow. Hello, it's me again. Last time I checked in was a couple of days ago. I was basically just beginning this whole process. I had showed you that I put my papers all over my room. Everything's the exact same. I have all my boxes and all my papers everywhere. My mom and I really had to go grocery shopping anyway, so we went to Walmart. Walmart has a lot of organization stuff. I ended up taking the path of more practical organization, not necessarily for the aesthetic or the cute look. This was also on Amazon. It had a lot of good reviews. It's the Banker's box. It's really big. You just put your hanging file folders in there. Even though it would be really cute to have a really cute desktop display, the whole point of me decluttering is that I want to make my room look as minimal as possible. You know, keeping the theme of out of sight, out of mind. Like, I'd rather just clear my tabletops as much as I can and not have any clutter or anything like that. This way I can put all my paperwork just in my closet, pull it out when I need it. I won't really see it and it won't stress me out all the time. I think it is the better alternative just because I will have important documents in here relating to like income tax and my banking info and stuff. So even though obviously I only have like people that I trust in my room, it's just kind of better to keep that private stuff in private. The only thing I don't like is this blue color. I wish I could paint it, but I don't know. Just with the plastic material, I don't think it looked good, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. Since I ended up taking the path of more practical over cute, I kind of just stuck with that whole theme. So I have these hanging file folders. They're not cute colors, no cute designs or anything, just basic. That's fine, just practical. Maybe down the road I can upgrade to something cuter, but I just want a simple, organized, practical system to start. And then I also have this label maker. It seems really good. Hi guys! So, I'm really excited about how this is turning out. I just feel like an adult, and then everything's all organized, and then I have all these tabs. See? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hey everyone, it's me again. I was working on my paper, as you know. I was sort of tackling that first. I've sort of been tackling my clothes, because as I've shown you, I've had that huge pile sitting there. So this Marie Kondo decluttering type of thing is actually very exciting. As you start tackling one area, then everything will fall into place and it'll be easier to tackle other areas. So yeah, I've been doing the clothes. It's actually going very well. So I'm about to head down the street to meet this girl who wants to buy one piece for sure, but potentially a few more. She wants to see them in person. Then I have this other couple who wants to buy a big bundle of things, so I'm gonna give them like a huge discounted price for just all these things I don't wear anymore. I'm excited to get clothes out of my room and out of my way and make some extra cash on the side. Then it'll be easier to tackle everything else with a fresh closet. So yeah, just thought I'd update you guys. Ow. So I've had a super productive day. I've sold 27 clothing items to 2 different people, and I made well over $100, actually almost $200. I sold a lot of stuff, and I'm also tackling my paperwork at the same time. I got my batteries for my label maker. I'll do a close-up shot of it later, but I'm gonna have all my labels along the one side, and yeah, it's just super exciting. Let me show you how I make a label. So what do I need? one that I didn't do yet is certificates. You just turn it on, you just type it out. Awesome. So then I have certificates, so you just hit print. Yay! And then this is my favorite part. So then it finishes printing and there's this little button at the side, so it cuts it automatically. That's my favorite part. I'll just show you what I've been doing. So I'll turn this off so the battery doesn't die. But it comes on this like little printer paper. I guess you can get different ones for label makers, and it just came with like a standard white one. It's a very thick type of paper and you can peel it off and it'll expose an adhesive side so that you can stick it on things. What I've been doing, I've literally just been grabbing my tabs for my hanging folders and then I just slide them through. I haven't been taking off the back side of it, so it's kind of just paper, it's not a sticker yet. I figured I might as well do that just because you can slide them in here. So in case I want to change any of these down the road, I don't know, I guess I could tape something over it, but I just want to keep them bare for now so I can reuse them. So I'm just sliding them through for the time being. If I find that they shift around a lot and that they don't really stay put, then I probably will go back and actually put them on as stickers. So I just open the tab and I put the label in and then I make sure I center it and then I make sure to cut any excess off. You probably can't see from that far away, but there's white sticking out on both sides. I'll just go and cut that off. Perfect. And then I'll find the right spot. And I have certificates somewhere here. Certificates. Oh my god, it feels so adult and so organized. Certificates, certificates. Where are my certificates? This will be so much better once all these are on so I know where things are. It's been a pain flipping through this. Okay. No. I think I found it. Yep. So certificates, and I just open up the bottom and I slide them on. Perfect. And I've done a lot of research, not really research, but I've looked around on things like Pinterest and stuff like that. And most people actually advise just having all your tabs in one straight line. It's actually more distracting for your eyes if it kind of goes back and forth. If anything, I might sort of like categorize them in different subgroups. Like for example, banking, and then shift down a bit to like school, and then shift down a bit to taxes, but I don't think I'd have every single one going back and forth. This works for now, so yeah, I guess I'm just gonna keep doing this. Again, I had a really productive day. Tackled clothes, tackled this, but yeah, bye! Hi, it's me again, a few days later. I look so bad. I hate how I say this in every video, and I told myself that when I came back to YouTube, one of the main things I was going to prioritize was looking cute in every video. That was a consistent theme with my previous videos. I would just go on looking like crap, and then I would feel awful about myself when I was editing all the videos, and then if they started to pick up and get some traction in terms of views and stuff, I would feel so embarrassed because I was like, wow, I look awful. But then I thought about it, when I'm cleaning and I want to be in the zone, I just really don't want to be done up. This is just real, and this is how I am when I'm cleaning. So I just want that to be authentic. So yeah, sorry that I look like a divorced middle-aged mom. In the previous couple clips, I started cleaning and I was focusing mainly on organizing all my papers and everything. My room is done in terms of all the paperwork. I put everything away. Now I really want to tackle clothes. I've sold quite a bit of clothes so far on the Let Go app and Kijiji. I just have some laundry I have to fold, and then I think I'm going to start putting more things aside that I want to sell, and then continue taking pictures of those and cleaning out my closet. So yeah, I guess I will just keep filming myself cleaning and organizing. I think those are relaxing to watch. I like watching people clean. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna start organizing, I guess.